We've been sautéing, frying, and simmering in our test kitchens all day, every day for years. Using our pro experience, we've picked the perfect cookware sets for all kinds of cooks. Pots and pans are available in a wide array of materials, with and without nonstick finishes, and there are distinct differences between the various offerings when it comes to how they cook and their ease of use. While sets are sold at a huge range of prices, you don't have to spend top dollar to get a dependable one that you'll find a pleasure to cook with. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best cookware sets in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Stainless Steel. In addition to its beautiful design, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Cookware Set earned our highest rating for versatility, and performed exceptionally well in 2 different lab tests and at home, making it our best overall pick. Experienced cooks will love this high-quality set of stainless steel cookware, which includes both a 1.5 and 3-quart saucepan, 8 and 10-inch open skillets, a 3.5-quart sauté pan, an 8-quart stock pot, and a steamer insert. Everything but the open skillets and the steamer insert come with lids. Number 2. Rachael Ray Create Delicious. If you prefer bright, cheery kitchen tools, this set comes in shimmery shades of red, burgundy, teal, light blue, and yes, gray if you must. In spite of its very reasonable price, this set offers even heating and has an interior nonstick finish that makes it easy to scramble up eggs and then clean out the pan afterwards. Rachael Ray offers some very nice features that you don't always find at this price, including silicone handles that are riveted, not screwed on, so they won't be coming loose, glass lids, and flared rims to enhance pouring. On the bottom there's a stainless steel base that makes the cookware safe for use on an induction cooktop, and you can pop a skillet in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. There are no extra large pots included, but the 6-quart stock pot is plenty adequate for soups and pasta water and can also serve as a Dutch oven. Number 3. Blue Diamond Cookware. Blue Diamond is made of aluminum that's coated inside with a ceramic finish, rather than a traditional one made of PTFE. While you may not find it as stick-proof, you will get the benefit of easy cleanup. Unlike other non-stick pans, these can withstand temps up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit on the stovetop or in the oven, so you can go ahead and fearlessly sear a sirloin in a fry pan or glaze pork chops under the broiler. Testing has revealed that Blue Diamond heats evenly, so if you're slinging pancakes you don't have to keep moving them around in the pan to get them all done at the same time. Number 4. Tramontina Stainless Steel Tri-Ply. If you're lusting after professional-looking stainless steel cookware but don't have the big bucks to shell out, this is the set for you. You'll get solid performance whether you're caramelizing onions or simmering a bolognese. As the handles are rounded, they offer a comfortable grip. This collection offers you a lot of value for your money. In addition to the basic skillets and saucepans, you get a large sauté pan, a Dutch oven, and a large 8-quart stock pot. As the 12-inch fry pan is deep and rounded, it's perfect for stir fries. All in all, you're pretty much covered for every possible cooking need. Number 5. Caraway Nonstick Ceramic Cookware. This 7-piece cookware set from direct-to-consumer brand Caraway is the perfect blend of performance and design. The selection is thoughtfully curated, and each set is available in a variety of stylish hues with a modern silhouette that looks great on the stovetop. Included are a 10.5-inch fry pan, a 4.5-quart sauté pan with lid, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, and a 6.5-inch Dutch oven with lid, all compatible with any cooktop, including induction. We've tested this twice in the lab, and Caraway proved that it was more than just aesthetically pleasing. That was our list of the top 5 best cookware sets just for you.